What's going on, everybody, and welcome to CS5 Unmasked. Today I'm going to be opening up some fan mail that you guys have sent me. Now we have 3 pieces of mail to open up, so let's get started. Alright, now the first piece of mail here is from Blaze. I believe he actually sent some fan mail on the last fan mail video. So, alright, let's go ahead and open this up. He's got it taped up pretty good. So, piece of electrical tape here, which is actually a pretty good idea. We got a few items. Oh, we got a few items right here. Okay, so as you can see here, we got a nice little packet of stuff here. I'm just going to go one by one. Oh, uh-oh. Okay, we had something fall. Oh, I can't really make that out. Something fell out there. We got... All right, we got a little picture of Jason. Oh, let's see if we can see that. Oh, it's... There we go. Little picture of Jason right there. That's cool. We got another little picture right here. Check that out. Very cool. That's very cool. Okay. Oh, okay. So that little piece that was in there goes to this, connects onto there. Little Friday the 13th. They're like and then I love this one. Oh. See that? It says CS5 right on it. Little CS5 Unmasked. Got the Google eyes there. That's awesome. Oh, sick. Okay. Oh, check that out. Dude, that's awesome. That's dope. I love that one. Bro, that's awesome. Oh, that's awesome. I love hand-drawn stuff. That is just insane. Thank you, Blaze, so very much. All right, let's go ahead and get to the next piece of mail. This one is from not really sure. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, it's taped up really, really well. Oh, man, I don't want to tear this. Oh, I think I'm tearing it. I'm tearing it. We got some more artwork in here. This is nice. Oh my god. This is awesome. Little Five Nights at Freddy's. Right? That's awesome. Oh, we got more. Big Five Nights at Freddy's fan. Dude, what? This is... Dude. Look at that. That's awesome. Yo. I wonder if I can put that on my wall here. You know what? I think I'm gonna put it on the wall right here, and I'll show you guys when I'm all done. Dude, that's... Oh, man. Who sent me that? It doesn't... Does it say? It doesn't say. From Springfield, Illinois. Whoever you are, thank you so much. That is awesome. I think I'm gonna start putting a lot of the artwork on the wall right here. I think that's what I'm going to start doing. I got it a whole bunch in the studio. I think I'm going to start putting a whole bunch on here. All right, we have one more piece of mail, and it's a pretty decent-sized package from our good buddy, Michael Johnson, a.k.a. Hockey Freak Johnson. So let's go ahead. I'm going to have to move this out of the way a little bit. Let's go ahead and open this up. I got my trusty razor blade because... It's all about safety around here. I'm not sure. I'm gonna assume this is the top right here. Only because it's got the address and stuff. Well, my address. Let's see here. I'm gonna cut right here. A little worried. Okay, there's definitely items in here. What is that? Wait, what is this? Are you kidding me? What? Okay, hold on. There's a letter, and then there's 2 items. There's 2 items in here, and then a letter. Let's read the letter. Let's see here. Okay, I'm going to read it here real quick. One of them is the J. Weinberg mask that I bought for myself last year or two ago. And there's one that is the Joey Jordanson mask that you made. Dang, bro, that's awesome. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right, let's check this out here. These are obviously Slipknot, the band Slipknot. These are masks from them. Check that out. I'm going to try these on here in a little bit. Look at that. Dude, that's sick. Oh, that's actually a good job. I like that one. You always make pretty good masks, Michael. I got a whole stack of your masks. Right, I'm going to grab those here in a second. Hold on. Okay, let's open up this. This one is one that you had purchased a year or two back. Oh, get out of town. Get out of town. Look at that. Oh my God, that material feels good. Oh, it's even got a nice little pad on the inside. Look at that. I'm going to try these on. Guys. Yeah, that's pretty sick looking. Oh, dude, I like that one a lot. Oh, that is creepy. That mouth and those eyes. Oh, that's odd. It's so weird to look at me like that. Crazy. All right, let's try the next one on. Oh my God, that is, I look silly. Oh my gosh. It like, my face is way too big. Oh, geez. That's wild. Oh man. Dude, that is awesome. This was a very pleasant surprise. Michael Johnson, thank you so very much. These masks are awesome. These are let me grab the other ones that you had sent me earlier. I'm going to go grab those ones. I think I'm just going to start a section of wall that's just dedicated to the masks that you have sent me throughout the years. Yeah, insane. So from one mask creator to another, thank you so very much. Okay, let's go ahead and do a little recap here. Of course, our boy Michael Johnson, also known as Hockey Freak Johnson, sending me these sick Slipknot masks. Absolutely love them. These, oh man, dude, that is insane. Of course, our good buddy from Springfield, Illinois. I don't have the name, but Five Nights at Freddy's are going to get mounted onto the wall right here. And our boy Blaze sending me this cool artwork. This one I absolutely adore. The one of me, CS5. Along with the sick artwork as well. All right, once again, thank you so very much. If you yourself would like to send fan mail to me, which I don't feel that I honestly deserve it, I'm going to put the address on the screen right now, and I'll put it in the description below. All right, everybody, until next time, this is CS5 signing out, and I hope to see you in the next video.